Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your browser and then you can search for watermark remover, and there will be a lot of websites you can use to remove your watermark, but I recommend you to choose this one because this one is free. You can visit this website and then you can upload your video here. You can click on open file and choose a video you want to remove watermark from. For example guys, I'm going to choose like this video. Click on open. Okay, and then you're going to select the watermark area like this. Okay, and once you're done selecting the area, you can click on apply. Alright, and now the watermark has been removed from my video. And if you want to save the result, you can select the save menu, and then you're going to choose the resolution and also the format, and just click on export, and then you're going to click on save. But wait. Okay, click on save and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.